Jesus taught that God treats even the worst sinners not as enemies to destroy, but as lost sheep whom he seeks to rescue and restore to his flock. We didn't know this way of valuing and loving people was meant even for those we had despised for centuries, half-breeds with foreign traditions we found offensive, until Jesus chose to travel through Samaria.
Who is this woman the old despise?
She's a Samaritan. Isn't that enough?
Come on, we have to buy food, and we don't want to keep the teacher waiting.
Will you give me a drink?
You are a Jew. I am a Samaritan woman. How can you ask me for a drink?
If you only knew what God gives and who it is that is asking you for a drink, you would ask him, and he would give you life-giving water.
Sir, you have nothing to draw water with, and the well is deep. Where would you get that water? It was our ancestor Jacob who gave us this well. He and his children and his flocks all drank from it. You don't claim to be greater than Jacob, do you?
Everyone who drinks this water will get thirsty again. But whoever drinks the water I give them will never be thirsty again. The water I give them will become in them a spring, welling up with eternal life.
Sir, give me that water. Then I will never be thirsty again. Nor will I have to come here to draw water.
Go and call your husband and come back.
I don't have a husband.
You are right when you say you don't have a husband. You have been married to 5 men, and the man you live with now is not really your husband. You have told me the truth.
I see you are a prophet, sir. My Samaritan ancestors worshipped God on this mountain. But you Jews say Jerusalem is the place where we should worship God.
Believe me, woman, the time will come when you will worship the Father neither on this mountain nor in Jerusalem. You Samaritans do not really know whom you worship. But the time is coming, and is already here, when by the power of God's Spirit, people will worship the Father as he really is, offering him the pure worship that he wants. God is Spirit, and only by the power of his Spirit can people worship him as he truly is.
It's that woman.
What is he doing talking to her?
Does he know who she is?
I know the Messiah will come. And when he does, he will tell us everything.
I am he. I am he.
See the man who told me everything I've ever done. Could he be the Messiah?
Messiah? The promised prophet? No, it can't be.
Come and see. Come.
Teacher, have something to eat.
I have food to eat that you know nothing about.
Did someone bring him food?
My food is to obey the will of the one who sent me, and to finish the work he gave me to do. The crops are now ripe and ready to be harvested.
how many are coming.
It's the good news for Samaritans too.
The people of the town came to Jesus and begged him to stay and teach them. We stayed 2 days, and many Samaritans believed in him.